Find the solution of this Math Olympiad question. AB plus C is equal to 2020. A plus BC is equal to 2021. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. So now we have to find the value of A, B and C. For that we have to subtract equation 1 from 2. So we can write here solution A plus BC minus AB plus C equal to 2021 minus 2020. Then here A plus BC minus AB minus C equal to 2021 minus 2020, that is 1. Here we write now A minus AB. After A, write this term here AB plus BC, then write here minus C equal to 1. Now see, take common from this first two term A and here take common C, so that A in bracket here remain 1 minus B plus here we take C common, here remain B minus 1 equal to 1. Now here 1 minus B and here B minus 1. So here what we will do, A in bracket 1 minus B, here we write plus minus 1 into C, minus 1 into C into B minus 1 equal to 1. Here we write then A 1 minus B. Here due to this minus sign, what happened? Minus C, here in bracket we write minus B plus 1 equal to 1. Now what we write here? A in bracket 1 minus B minus C into, write 1 first and B then, 1 minus B equal to 1. Now here 1 minus B, 1 minus B. So we write in bracket 1 minus B. Another bracket we can write A minus C equal to 1. Here two factors of 1 are, or two values of 1, 1 into 1 equal to 1 and minus 1 into minus 1. See here, factors of 1 are 1 into 1 is equal to 1, minus 1 multiply minus 1 is equal to 1. So we will get here two parts. So part first equal to 1 minus B is equal to 1 and A minus C is equal to 1. So here we get B is equal to, transfer this 1 to this side and B this side, so we get B is equal to 0. So we will come to this point, that is AB plus C. So AB plus C equal to 2020. So if we put here B is equal to 0 plus C equal to 2020. So we get the value of C is equal to 2020 means 2020. Now then we have to put the value of B is equal to 0 in equation second A. This is equation 1. This is equation second A plus BC equal to 2021. If we put here b is equal to 0, so this whole term becomes 0. Here a plus 0 is equal to 2021. So a is equal to, we get value 2021. So in this way we have got value b is equal to 0. We have put this value of b in equation 1. So here we put value of b is 0. So this whole term becomes 0. So we got the value of c. Value of c is 2020 means 2020. Then we have put the value of b in equation number second. So we got the value of a is 2021. So this is the value of a. Now we have to see part 2. Here we have to see the part 2 for negative values. 1 minus b is equal to minus 1 and a minus c is equal to minus 1. So here we get b is equal to 2. This minus 2 will shift this side. So minus becomes plus. Minus becomes plus. So b is equal to 2. So if we put this value of b is in one equation, equation 1 is ab plus c is equal to 2020. If value of b is 2. So what we get here? So for part 1, values of a, b, c are part 1 values of a is equal to, values for part a is equal to 2021 and value of b is equal to 0 and value of c is equal to 2020 means 2020. These are the values of ABC for part 1. Now we will see the values of ABC for part 2 are values for A is equal to 673, then for B is equal to 2, and for values of C equal to 674. These are the values of A, B and C for part 2, and this is the values of A, B and C for the values of part A. So if you like the video, so like the video, so subscribe the channel and share with your friends. This is the Math Olympiad problem solution. Thanks for watching the whole video.